How terrifying was the Carnian Pluvial episode? Around 230 million years ago, during the mid-Triassic period, there was a prolonged rainstorm on Earth that lasted for 2 million years. The extreme climate not only led to the extinction of many species, but also pushed dinosaurs to the top of the food chain. What exactly happened? Back in the 1980s, British geologist Raffel accidentally discovered a fossil with clear rain erosion marks while examining rock layers. This was a very unusual phenomenon because the formation of fossils is a very long process, and typical fossils cannot record climatic conditions. After further discussions among more geologists, it was inferred that at a certain period in the Triassic, the Earth suddenly entered a humid phase, with almost daily rain on land. This period was eventually named the Carnian Pluvial episode. It is worth noting that the continents during the Triassic were different from now. At that time, the continents were still connected as one, known as Pangaea, while the rest of the area was an endless ocean. This made it difficult for the moist atmosphere from the ocean to cross such vast land, resulting in very arid conditions on land. In such harsh living conditions, there were almost no trees on land, no vegetation, and no mammals. The ecosystem was dominated by reptiles. Subsequently, the movement of tectonic plates led to frequent volcanic eruptions, especially during the Carnian, when a terrifying event known as the Wrangellia Large Igneous Province occurred. A series of volcanoes erupted intermittently for millions of years, releasing large amounts of carbon dioxide into the atmosphere, causing ocean acidification, severely inhibiting the growth of algae, and leading to a significant greenhouse effect. The global climate began to warm. Finally, around 230 million years ago, when the temperature reached a critical point, the hydrological cycle accelerated, and hot and humid storms began to sweep the globe, resulting in a prolonged heavy rain. As the rainfall increased, various plants began to grow wildly, turning the once arid land moist, and grasslands and deserts gradually transformed into forests. In just a few decades, the entire continent underwent dramatic changes. However, the continuous rain pushed many reptiles to the brink of extinction. As the saying goes, survival of the fittest. Most marine life went extinct during this climate change, and except for ichthyosaurs, all marine reptiles disappeared. Meanwhile, plankton groups appeared in the ocean for the first time, and creatures like turtles, lizards, and mammals also began to emerge on the historical stage. At the same time, the most prosperous vertebrates of the Mesozoic era, the dinosaurs, began their reign. What is most surprising is that the dinosaur family took only 4 million years to become the dominant species on Earth, and they ruled the planet for the next 170 million years. However, to this day, many scientists still oppose the idea that it rained continuously for 2 million years during the Carnian. They believe that under the conditions at that time, it was impossible for it to rain for that long. We can understand it as a very humid phase that ultimately led to the Carnian Pluvial episode. But regardless of the truth, we know that many species once existed on Earth, and their birth, evolution, and extinction are all natural processes. In fact, there are many similar videos on the newly launched Douyin Select app. The collection Square Inside has many such popular science videos, as well as many on mechanical engineering, strange stories, and more. Interested friends, click the bottom left corner to download and try it out.